Let us start our second part of this exercise, exercise 14.1. We start our question from question number 4. In question number 4, we have given number of heartbeat and number of women. What is heartbeat? 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, and 83 to 86. And number of women is 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Let us find out the class mark. As we discussed in our last video, how we find out the class mark? Class mark is the mid value of class interval. What is class interval? It is class interval. So mid value for it is 65 plus 68 by 2. It is 66.5. 68 plus 71 by 2. It is 69.5. 71 plus 74 by 2. It is 145 by 2. It means that it is 72.5. And I hope you will understand how we calculate the class mark. And next one is 75.5. Next one is 78.4, 81.5, and next one is 84.5. I hope you will understand the class mark. Not with it xi, it is your fi. So fi is multiplied by xi. 66.5. 66.5 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 13. 12 or 1 13. 2 6s are 12 or 1 13. It's 133.0. Next one 69.5 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 22. 4 9s are 36. 38. Put decimal. 6 4s are 24. 24 3 27. It's 278.0. Next one is 217.5. Next one is 75.5 multiply 8. It's 604.5. Sorry, 4.0. 78.4 multiplied by 7. It is 548.8. 81.5 multiplied by 4. जब 81.5 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपका आएगा 326.0 एंड 84.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इट इज 169.0. सो अब टोटल करेंगे सिग्मा एफ आई एक्स आई इक्वल टू और सिग्मा एफ आई इक्वल टू. सिग्मा एफ आई का टोटल रहेगा इट इज 30 एंड इट इज 2276.3. So put in the formula mean equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. It is 2276.3 by 30. Is that it is 22763 by 300. When we divide 2276, 22,763 is divided by 300, it is 75.87, and that is mean hertz beats per minute. Hertz beat per minute. I hope you will understand the question using direct method. And the next question is question number 5. Question number 5. What is question number 5? नंबर 5, इन रिटेल मार्केट के जो फ्रूट वेंडर है, फ्रूट बेचने वाले, सेलिंग मैंगोज बेच रहे हैं, केप्ट इन पैकिंग बॉक्स, जिनको पैकिंग बॉक्स में अंदर लिखा गया है। दीज बॉक्स कंटेन वेरिंग नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज, जो अलग अलग बॉक्स हैं उनके अंदर अलग अलग नंबर के मैंगोज हैं। मीन्स हर एक जो है बॉक्स है उसके अंदर अलग अलग आमों की संख्या है। The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes, यानी कितने ऐसे बॉक्स हैं जिनके अंदर 50 से 52 के बीच में आम है, तो ऐसे 15 बॉक्स हैं। 110 बॉक्स ऐसे हैं जिनके अंदर 53 से 55 के बीच के मैंगोज हैं। तो फाइंड द मीन ऑफ मैंगोज केप्ट इन पैकिंग बॉक्स, तो आपको इसका मीन निकालना है। विच मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग मीन इज डिड यू चूज? सो जो रिमेनिंग मेथड हैं, 2 मेथड्स वी डिस्कस हियर। मीन वी फाइंड आउट यूजिंग 3 मेथड। फर्स्ट इज डायरेक्ट मेथड, सेकेंड इज अज्यूम्ड मीन मेथड, और थर्ड इज स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड। In our video we have solved all the question using direct method, because direct method is easily understood by all type of students. The assumed mean and step deviation method we will discuss our next videos. So let us start our question number 5th नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज उसमें दिए गए हैं। नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज क्या रहेंगे? 50 to 52। आई होप यू कैन सी इट। 53, 55, 56, 58, 59, 61, 62 to 64। एंड नेक्स्ट कॉलम फॉर नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस। नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस 15, 110, 135, 115 एंड 25। यहाँ हम क्लास मार्क फाइंड आउट करेंगे। क्लास मार्क इज डिनोटेड बाय XI एंड नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस डिनोटेड बाय FI। क्लास मार्क हाउ वी विल फाइंड? 50 plus 52 by 2। तो 50 plus 52 it's 112। 112 by 2, 112 by 2 it is 51। 53 plus 55, 53 plus 55 by 2 it is 810। 108 by 2 it's 54। I hope you will how we calculate it? It's 57, 60 and the last one is 63। Sigma FI, what is sigma FI? It's 400। Total number of boxes is 400। Here we calculate FI multiply XI। 51 multiplied by 15, तो 15 multiply 51 it's 765। 110 multiplied by 54 it's 594। 57 multiplied by 135 it is 7695। 115 multiplied by 60 it's 6900 it's 1575। so sigma FI XI is 22,875। put this into the formula। mean equal to sigma FI XI by sigma FI, so it is 22875 by 400। so the answer is 57.1875 और 57.19. So mean number of mangoes packing box is 57.19. I hope you will easily understand this question. Let us start our next question. Question number 6. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food 25 household in a locality. 25 दिनों के अंदर खाने पर खर्च कितने पैसे हुए, इसका डेली का एक्सपेंडिचर और घरों की संख्या आपको दी गई है. फाइंड द मीन डेली एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन फूड बाय ए सुटेबल मेथड. आप मीन निकालिए डेली एक्सपेंडिचर का. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. डेली एक्सपेंडिचर. यहाँ आपका रहेगा नंबर ऑफ हाउस होल्ड. नेक्स्ट वन इज क्लास मार्क एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज FI multiply XI. It is your XI and it is your FI. So let us start our question. Question number 6. 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300 and 300 to 350. What is number of household? 4, 5, 12, 2 and 2. So let us first find out the class mark. Class mark is 100 plus 150. 100 plus 150, it's 250 and 250 is divided by 2. It's 125. 125. It's 175. It's 225. 275. And it is 325. Multiply both the terms FI and XI. When 125 multiplied by 4, it is 500. And 175 multiplied by 5, it is 875. 225 multiplied by 12, it is 2700. Next one is 550. Next one is 650. 650. So let us find out the sigma of both the columns. Sigma FI is 25 and sigma FI XI is 5275. So put in the formula of mean. What is the formula of mean? Mean equal to sigma FI XI by sigma FI. It is 5275 by 25. When 5275 is divided by 25 to the 50, 25 1 ja 25, remainder is 2, 25. That is your final answer. So mean daily expenditure on feed. Mean of daily expenditure on food is 211 rupees. 211. So I hope you will understand question number 6. Let us start question number without wasting time. Question number 7. What is question number 7? In this concentration, concentration concentration of SO2 is given and ppm में parts per billion. Frequency it is short form of FI frequency. Next is glass mark and next one is xi, fi multiply xi. What is concentration? 0.00, 0.04, 0.04, 0.08, 0.08, 0.12, 0.12, 0.16 and 0.162, 0.20, 0.20 to 0.24. And what is frequency? It's 499,242. Let us find out the class mark. What is class mark? 0.02, 0.06. How we find out the class mark? Sum of class interval 0.04, 0.08. सम करेंगे तो 210 डिवाइड बाय 2 इट्स 0.06 and it is 0.010. It's 0.14. It's 0.18 and next one is 0.20 and multiply 0.08, 0.54, 0.90, 14 2 जा 28, 0.28, 18 4 जा 72, 22 जा 40. Find out the sigma fi or sigma fi xi. It is 2.92 or it is 30. So find out the mean. Mean equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. It is 2.92 by 30. It means 292 by 3 remaining 2 zeros divided by 300. It is 3000. Sorry. It is 0.097. That is your answer. So let us start our next question. Question number 8. What is question number 8? Question number 8 is, a class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students. 40 student हैं, उसमें से कितने बच्चे absent थे क्लास में for the whole term, पूरी term में. Find the mean number of days of a student was absent. तो mean निकालना है उन students का जो absent थे. Let us start our question 6. Question number 6 is question number 6. What is question? Number of days, number of days and number of students. Number of students. It's your class mark. And next one is fi multiply xi. Number of student is, it's your fi frequency, it's your xi class mark. 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 20, 20 to 28, 28 to 38 and 38 to 40. What is number of students? Number of students is 11, 10, 7, 4, 4, 3, 1 as given in the question in your textbook. That is sigma fi is 40 given in your book. Total number of students. Class mark 0 plus 6 by 2 it's 3. 6 plus 10 it's 8. 24 by 2 12. 34 17. 48 का हाफ होगा 48 का हाफ होगा 24. और नेक्स्ट वन इज 8 30 50 plus 10 60 66. It is, I think so, it is 33. next one is 33, and next one is 39. Multiply xi by xi. 11 multiply 3, it's 33. 10 multiply 8, 80. 84. 17 4 ja 68. 24, 96. 99. 39. What is sigma fi xi? It is 499. Mean equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. It is 499 by 40. It is 4 1 ja 40 1 ja 40. 14 2 ja 80. 12.475. That is your answer. Mean number of students, mean number of days of a student who are absent, that is 12.475. Our next, let us start our question number. It is your question number 8. It is your question number 8. I hope you will understand and you can easily done. Question number 9. Our last question. Literacy rate and number of cities is given. Literacy rate and number of cities is given. Class mark find out करेंगे using the formula lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Here we multiply xi, multiply. It is your xi. It is your fi. So what is the statement given in the book? That is 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85 or 85 to 95. What is number of cities? It's 3, 10, 11, 8, 3. Sigma fi is given in the question, that is 35, and you can also count it by its sum. So class mark is 45 plus 55. It's 100. 100 divided by 2. It's 50. Next one is 60. Next one 70, 80 and 90. 85 plus 95. It's 180. 180 by 2. It's 90s. So let us multiply. Our next step, multiply fi and xi. That is 150, 600, 770, 640, 270, and sigma fi xi is 0, 3, 4, 2. So find out mean. Mean equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, that is 2430 by 35. 5 7 ja 35, 5 4 ja 20, 5 8 ja 40, 5 6 ja 30. 486 by 7, and when we divide 486 by 7, it is 69.4. That is your answer. It means that mean literacy rate, mean literacy rate is 69.4. I think so you have easily understand this exercise. Direct method is very easy method to all. I hope you will complete this exercise. Thank you.